Alright gang, welcome back to the absolute final goose hunt of the year. Today's the absolute last day of season here in Illinois, so we're going to make the most of it. We got some snow on the ground, as you can see. Layouts are buttoned up with some snow camo. Running a small spread, we got maybe 4 dozen decoys. As we were setting up, I didn't have a camera ready or anything. 2 came in and Riley pounded them both. We got one down back here, free decoy, and then another one behind his blind. Also, Riley's here, getting us on the spot today. So hoping to make the most of this hunt. When we walked out here, we pushed probably 200 birds off this spot. All right, we're just gonna sit here the rest of the day. They actually moved about, I don't know, 500-600 yards away from us, and they're all just sitting in the field. But we got a lot of snow coming in right now, and we think that's kind of disorienting them because we had those 2 came up from that field and came right in. So I think they're, I don't know, short-term memory loss or something, but they're pretty stupid right now, and we're right where they want to be. There's tracks all over the place. But yeah, we're gonna hop in the blind and see if we can make this happen. Let's do it.
Keep hitting with that flag. Yeah, I see them. 3 low ones. Yeah, those 3. These 3 are gonna do it. Oh, baby. You're gonna do it right here. Right in front. Low group. See him? Oh yeah. Kidding me, man? They're locked up, baby. Hit him. Oh shit. That 3?
Yep.
Need cripple shots on those.
Yeah, you got a cripple one?
Good job. One to go, eh? Yeah.
You want to grab one of them fuckers?
Sure thing, guy. Come here, buddy boy. You asshole, what are you doing? Yeah, no shit. Alrighty, gang, little update time. Oh, look at this. We got ducks. I don't know if you guys can see them or not. Yeah, they're kind of far out, but we've had ducks landing all over. I don't know if I got much of it on camera, but nonetheless, pretty cool hunt so far. Geese are being kind of picky. The smaller groups are doing it, though. That's the important thing. We had a group of 2 do it and a group of 4 do it. And only so far, only one bird has gotten out of the spread on us today. So we just killed 3 of that 4. We're at 5 now, 1 away. Riley's limited out. I need 1 more bird, and we're done. Limit in Illinois is 3 birds a person. So we're gonna see if we can end this season on a high note. All right, that'll be the first time I've ever done anything like that. So stick with us, stay tuned. We're gonna kill another one.
How many landed? Oh shit, yeah. Hey boys, get out of here. You heard me. Come on now. Look at those hens, don't care, they're eating over there.
You guys are in the wrong season.
This is unreal, man. If they decoys, I don't care. We'll just let them hang.
Alright, gang, so that is actually going to be a wrap on that video. It's a couple days later, and we just didn't have much luck after that. We left a little bit early just because the geese all took off, went back to water, and anything that was coming by just went right past us. So didn't seem like they were interested in not only us, but the field in general. They were just done with it. So when we pushed those geese out of there, they moved maybe 500-600 yards to a different field. We could see them, they could see us, and that's actually where we were getting our shots from, was geese hopping 2 different spots, and we just got lucky with a few groups that came by and did it right in our face. So we ended the day with the 5 birds, 1 short of the limit, so not bad. Riley limited out, I killed 1. Can't complain, good way to end the season. So yeah, that's a wrap on goose season. So hunting is pretty much over here in Illinois. There's not much left to hunt. I think squirrel season's in, and then of course coyote season is still in. That's year round here. So that's all we got looking forward to. So moving forward, yeah, gotta wait till it warms up to get fishing, but as soon as I get an opportunity where a nice day, even if it's like in the 30s but sunny, no wind, I'll go fishing. I'll get some videos of that for you. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.